Hi, today I will be drawing a elf on the shelf. First, start by drawing two big circles for the eye. Next, draw a little curve like that on both the eyes. Now draw two highlights inside it with on both eyes. Then draw a curve, draw lines. Like that. Now draw the eyebrows like this and make them a little more thicker like that. Now draw the mouth like this and draw the head shape. It kind of looks like this. Like that. Now draw two lines like this and draw lines beside it and draw some hair like this. Now let's draw the Christmas hat. Just make these a little more longer and draw something that looks like this. Long rectangle. Then draw something that goes like this. And draw a fluffy end. And draw zigzags like this near the neck area. Then draw the body like this. And leave a little bit space for his legs. Now draw the hands. I'm just going to make these legs a little more bigger. Like that. Now let's draw the shelf. Maybe you can draw a Christmas tree here. A small Christmas tree here. finished fine lining. Now we can start coloring. First I will just summon my colored pencils. Abracadabra, hula kazam. Ha ha, got it. First I will be using the pale Mariam lake and color the hat, the Christmas hat. I have finished coloring with the pale granium lake. Now I will use a dark red and color the edges of the hat. Like that. Then I will use this deep scarlet red and color just the edges. Like that. Next, I will use this. What is this called? Warm grey 2. And color the edges of the Christmas hat, white area. Also color the edges of this part like that. Now use your burnt ochre and color the skin. If you have a nice skin tone, press hard. This is the only skin tone that I have, so I'm pressing really lightly. That, and color the edges a little more darker, or maybe a lot darker. Like that. Now I will smoothen it out with the white colored pencil. Use a dark brown and color the hair. Like that. Now use a light phthalo blue and color this part of the eye. Now color this area with the warm grey 2, light to dark, and leave the middle white. Now color with the pale granium lake the costume, the legs and the hands. I have finished coloring the costume. I left a little bit of space for the dark red. Now I'm going to use the dark red. If you are colored over this area, don't worry, you can color over it. Now I'm just going to make the skin tone look a little more better. If you have a real skin tone, you might not have to do this. Like that. Now I will use this warm grade 2 and color this white part of the hand. I also use the skin tone again and color the hand. Now we can color the shell. For that I'll use first the raw umber and just color this small portion. Like that. Now I'll use the raw umber and color the rest. Erase the smudges. There's a lot of smudging here. Like that. Now I will use a light green. It's so hard to take. Just color that like that and like that. Color a little more darker like that. Then I will use a yellow for the ornaments, a dark green maybe. A dark red. Let's use a pale granule for this bottom. Now the finishing touch, the star. And the drawing is done. See you until next time. Bye.